This is a true story, Hindi pa ho na-implement ang UHC. One of the first draft of the UHC law was emailed to me and I was asked to comment on it. Because after several hours, they will discuss it. Then nung binasa ko ho yung unang draft, the first few draft of the UHC law, nakita ko yung pera na pinag-uusapan. Ang sabi ko, my God, I am in the wrong business. Saan pupunta yung pera? Okay? Pupunta ba yun sa PhilHealth employee? No. Okay? At that time, reasonable yung benefits namin and salary. And gradually, tinanggal lahat yun. Okay? Pupunta ba yun sa pasyente, yung pera? No. Hindi sa PhilHealth employee, hindi sa pasyente. Pupunta ba yun sa doktor? Partially. But saan pupunta yung the bulk of it? It goes to the hospital. So of course, at that time, marami na akong issues and I wanted to, I was asked, nag-resign na ako ng twice. Hindi ako pinayagan. So then, sabi ko mag-resign na ako. Okay, this is non-negotiable. Okay? Kasi ang dami ko na natulungan and it's time na tulungan ko sarili ko, pati pamilya ko. Now, ang point ko ganito, I've seen the money several years ago and every year, yung budget dyan lumalaki.